installing a copper head gasket. First of all, do these things need gasket sealant? The Haynes manual says no, and the little piece of paper that came with the gasket says yes, so I went with that. Obviously, I've done the front one. No, the back one. Right, this is the front one. Now, the thing is, I've said many times that you can heat these up until they're cherry red, and then quench them quickly in water, and that'll restore their natural sort of malleability, their squishiness. And I'd kind of got it in my head that you could just do this forever. And somebody I was talking to recently said, yeah, maybe 3 or 4 times. I said, well, what's the problem? And he said, well, the problem is, if you think about it, it just gets thinner and thinner. And before long, it'll just get too thin and it'll break. And yeah, he's absolutely right. Apparently, it's 3 or 4 times you're supposed to reuse this. The one you see on the top there has been reused. I'm trying it from lots of angles, so you can hopefully, whatever the compression on the video, get an idea. Yeah, the one on the top, the dark looking one, that's been probably 20 times. Definitely double figures. I guarantee you that thing has been re-annealed in 10 or more times. And yeah, it's just paper thin. It's about to go. So new one's in. So yeah, that's an answer to that question. Every sort of 3 or 4 times, just get a new one. Cheery bye.